is Robert C., and I'd like to speak about the topic of why bike lanes are essential, even on Edsa. Here is a picture of Edsa just a few days ago, and it often highlights that cars are all over, and we sometimes think that they should be our main clients, but they are not. What we find is that car users are actually a small minority. 88% of households in Greater Manila do not own cars. They rely on public transport, walking, and cycling. Actually, if we have more cyclists using our roads, especially our major roads, we will be able to maximize people's throughput. And this is what our national transport policy requires. It requires that we will manage our roads so that the maximum number of people will be moved rather than the maximum number of cars. And we know that one bicycle lane can move many, many times more people than if the same road space were to be devoted purely to cars. Many may ask whether bicycle lanes should be on Edsa. And if we believe that we have to prioritize people over cars, then we need to apply this preferential treatment to all kinds of urban roads, especially Edsa. Because cyclists move using their own energy, it is important where possible to offer cyclists shorter and more direct routes, as exemplified by Edsa. And here again, we see that the national transport policy requires us to offer cyclists and pedestrians safe and direct access. If we look at bike lanes on Edsa, we believe they make total sense. They will save lives. They maximize the productivity of road infrastructure. They will reduce the load on public transport systems when we see people using bicycles instead of trying to queue into our public transport. And again, it will deliver fundamental social justice because we will be prioritizing the less privileged, and we will be solving traffic by encouraging a shift from cars to bicycles. Finally, when we look at the different LGUs in Metro Manila that are building their own bicycle lanes, many of these LGU bicycle lanes will be largely ineffective unless they are connected through a trunk. And Edsa would provide that trunk bike lane, or enabling our different LGU bike networks to form an interconnected metro-wide network that would provide maximum convenience to our cyclists. Thank you very much.